Now for the Ashtanga Namaskar pose, come to the cat position and move your hands slightly forward. For the beginner, it's easier to bring your body, shift your body forward and then going down by bending the elbow, bringing your chest and chin down to the floor and tucking your toes. So that will be the 8 limbs posture. At the beginning, it will be have a little hard time to go into from the cat position. So we will also show you going from another angle. So now go ahead and lie on your stomach completely. So if you start doing this position, it's very hard to catch that posture. So you can also try it this way. By lying flat on the floor, go ahead and tuck the toes. And just bring the butt up and jot the hip up. And shift the body slightly back. Hands can adjust towards the next to your chest as you adjust. So now you are in 8 limbs posture. So from here to relax the position, you can again bring your body forward, flat on the stomach. And you can take a little rest in here. To practice this pose, you can also stay 3 to 5 long deep breaths in the position to really feel which joints that you're touching the floor, to absorb this posture into your muscle memory. You can stay with inhale Radhe, exhale Krishna. This posture is really beneficial to transition from one pose to another, and it improves your body coordination. It also relaxes the spine, and all the joints will be more aware, and you will also have this nice transition as you do the flow yoga asana.